Okay, guys, I had someone ask me in my other video. Oh, hi. Sorry, let's back up. If you don't know, this is Kane. Kane is my English Mastiff. He is 11 months. He's still a baby. And he always wants to be where I'm at. Like, he's about to lay at my feet. I just know it. But I need to give him 2 seconds of attention. Yeah. Okay, so, and the video I just posted earlier, she asked me, how do you fix your edges? So I'm going to show you guys that real quick. I got a hot comb, and don't let this fool you. It's about to, lay down perfectly. Sorry, buddy. Gotta make sure I don't have your hair in my hands, because you're definitely going to want to go ahead and comb that. I already have my hot comb warmed up, and you're just going to go ahead, and I make it work for me so I don't burn myself. I pull it, yank away, pull, yank away, pull, yank away, pull, yank away. And honestly, if I wrap my hair up at night, I wouldn't have to do this. But it's because after a while of having it in, I don't always tie it up at night. Pull, yank away. You gotta be careful too, because your animal doesn't know that you have a hot comb. So, yeah, he's gonna try to bully me. You see that little line? Anyways, I gotta rub that out. And we're about to make it lay down. And you're gonna take your You're gonna go ahead and take your flat iron, and you can flat iron it some more. But I usually don't like to do all of that, because all I have to do is just blend it in with the weave and my hair is fine. And I already have heat protectant from the last time I put curls in my hair. And honestly, if I put some flexi rods, my hair will actually remain curly when I go to bed. But I don't do that. Like I said, I barely tie the thing up at night. Be right back, and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I'm about to show you guys how to fix the top. Because I don't wear makeup, I don't have makeup, but I stole this from my sister's makeup thing. So if she sees this, anyways, you want to get it lighter. This is definitely lighter than me, see? So I'm trying to rush because these things are so time finny. But usually I would have a brush or something, but because I don't have a brush, we're gonna have to improvise. I'm gonna put a little line right there, and we're gonna drag it back. Drag it back until where my part is. Usually I would use more of a different cream, but I'm at home. And like I said, I don't wear makeup. So I don't just have makeup laying around, but I have it at the shop because I use it for stuff like this. So you're gonna drag it back, right? You see what we're doing? We're improvising. Okay, here we are. Yes, it really looks like that, but let's step back. Let's step back. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving scalp. If you're this close to me, you're in my business. Back up. If you're like this, you're still in my business. Why are you on top of my head? But if you're like this, at the airport, baby, you don't know what I got going on over here. From a mile away, you have no clue. But anyways, so we're going to take this comb. You see, remember, our part is right here, right? Because mine's, I sewed it down, but not really. With the anticipation of me taking this thing down pretty fast, because I want some braids. Hold on, be right back. Okay, so I'm not sponsored by them. I'm pretty sure you guys canceled them last time because they did that black content creator scandalous. But this is, what's on sale, baby. So this is Eben. Yeah, Eben. This is their melting spray. It's literally got to be in a bottle. But where I went Ooh, they didn't have Got To Be or Pump It Up. I said, okay. Y'all in cahoots, so whatever. So I bought what they had. So I'm going to go ahead and... Usually I would blow dry it down with a blow dryer, but you get the logistics of what I'm doing. So I'm pushing it in, and I'm going from side to side and melting it. Yes, you're going to be like, the makeup. It's fine. Because once I'm done... I mean, I guess I could have did the hairspray first, but whatever. But once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and apply a light touch-up. Because realistically, no one's forehead is that perfect, so I wanted to rub it in anyways, because I want it to be like a straight line but without being too straight, because then it looks super fake. So I'm gonna do that. Now that I got that in, I'm gonna comb forward. That's the trick. You gotta comb forward. And you see the difference? Comb forward is the trick, is a trick, because depending on your perspective and the angle, everything lays right. Because technically, your head is going to be like this. So this is how people are going to see you. And like this. Never like this. Okay, let's get to this edge control. So this is Kaleidoscope So Slick. You can use this for braids. I use it for braids, but I also like it for my edges too. I like the smell of it. So I'm going to put some right in here. Put some right there. I'm trying to zoom, but I have the front facing, so I can't zoom. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and lay it how I want it to lay. Sometimes I don't know if I want to look like a grown adult or like a youth, cute part, like go something like this, or give it more edgier. I really think it just depends on my mood. Because sometimes I have 3 of these bad boys. I'll be like this, cut right there, then cut right here. Then I have this edgy look. And then sometimes I'll be like, nope, let's be grandma. Not grandma, but let's not do too much. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so I got that. Remember, comb forward, hairspray. Or not hairspray, spirits. Of course, you would blow dry. And that gets it really, really sleek. Remember, now it looks more natural. And also, just to let you know, you would definitely go back in with the wig band and lay this part down. Because if you don't, it still has like a little, like just a little step up. But you definitely want to like comb it, lay it down, put a headband. You can put the headband right here, or you can just put it to where it's like this is in the middle. Because you just want to put some pressure on it. And then boom, here we are. Oh yeah, the edge is over here too. Forgot, that was the whole point of me doing this for you. So if you ever wonder, like, when you put edge control, why your hair waves up, it's literally the water. These things have water in it and alcohol. So, dang doggy. Hey. You licking your feet like that? Like, what you got going on? You gotta see a podiatrist or something, my guy. So here it is. There's my edges. Remember, it's okay if it was looking a little earlier, because as long as you know how to like take the 10 minutes that it takes, you can even, oh Lord, I've got to tell you, my dog ate this part. But I couldn't throw the brush away because I still want this part. Don't judge me. So anyways, you're going to go ahead and comb, comb, comb. And to keep the pressure, you can literally put it in your hand. And just kind of go like this. No pressure. To keep it slick like this, you can just put the hairspray in your hand. Just so, like, if you want to not be doing too much. And then you're going to go ahead and... I like a little volume. Because you got to keep in mind, when you have chubby cheeks, you got to style for your face. Okay? You got to style for your profile. This is your profile. Like, look at my face. I have a very, like, kind of pointy jaw, but I have high cheekbones, aka chubby cheeks. Well, they're not. Let's back up. High cheekbones does not mean chubby cheeks. But I have chubby cheeks, but I have a narrow, it comes like this. You see it? So my face tells me I need volume right in here. Right in here. You see the difference? Now, perspective is key because when you turn the side, it's still like that. But most people are looking at you from the front of your face. And now it gives me this ooh la la look. So you have to literally get styles that match your structure. Never forget that, okay? Not all styles will look cute on everybody. That's why some people, when they get their hair done, if they have too much going on right here and they have chubby cheeks, it makes their face look white as F. And you're like, girl, your stylists don't like you. Okay, anyways. I was going to curl it, but I just got to study for my classes today, so I'm not going to curl it because, baby, I'm in the house. But you see how if I don't put something on it, you can see like some waves going on. All I have to do is put on a scarf, and honestly, when I'm done, it'll be like this. Well, not like that, but like, y'all get what I'm saying. You see, perfect blend. Minus that, but I'm gonna put, you get it. Brush it out. And also, another thing is, you don't want to put too much product in your wigs because technically speaking, unless you washed it out, it's still in there. So you can apply some as you go, but keep in mind that you don't want to put too much because it becomes stiff. Like it's too much product in there and it won't flow. You'll know when to put heat protectant if you ain't worn this wig in like 2-3 months. But then you should be washing that wig anyways before it's on your head. So technically, you see what I'm saying? So you don't want to put too much product, too much heat protectant, just vibe. And here we are. Put a scarf on. What do you mean?